Hi Pedro viewers sa inyo lahat, magandang hapon. Ako po si Steve. Ako po may-ari ng video account itong respective website youtube.com. By the way, I'll repeat, my full name is Steve Ho Ong. Okay. By the way, my next video is about my fellow batchmate in high school. I'm referring to Donmar Tebes, the owner of YouTube account Donmar TV in YouTube. Yes, I'll repeat, Donmar TV. Okay. By the way, ang susunod kong title sa video na ito is Tagalog video, bigyan ng super thanks si Donmar TV. I will explain it at ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung anong ibig sabihin itong video na ito at bakit kailangan bigyan ng super thanks. Ano ang advantage? Ano ang benefits makukuha? Marami benefits. Ito lang ang maipapromise ko kay Donmar. As long as he did not broadcast a video that is not allowed, as long as not libelous or it can cause libel. Kasi ngayon, nowadays, sa digital age, kung gumawa ka ng scandal video, pwede kang kasuhan ng libel. Pero in his case, wala. Neutral yan si Donmar. I know him so much since high school. Anyway, yung nagkakanya-kanya na kami college kasi iba't ibang schools na kami. So, not all will have the same college. Different college, different university. So, own destiny. So, yun. Pero high school, okay siya. He's the best. I'm gonna tell you. Okay. Bakit ko nasabi sa Tagalog na the best si Donmar TV kung tungkol sa when it comes to Duterte vloggers? Kasi si Donmar transparent. Bakit ko nasabing transparent? He gathers data, and he saw it in his two eyes. Kasi ngayon, pag yan nag-click itong Donmar TV, hindi mo rin masabi to all viewers. Possible, baka magkaroon pa siya ng TV station. Yes. Donmar TV, kahit ganito lang to digital TV video lang, pero in the long run, kasi pag, halimbawa video TV, may news na. Pag yan nag-create ng TV station, tapos digital pa, wow. We live in a modern age based in the Philippines. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo. Anong kagandahan? Bakit bibigyan siya ng super thanks? Kasi kung TV station kasi, malaki ang contribution. Kasi ang number of viewers, number of subscribers, magre-reflect yan. Ito, bigyan ko kayo review. Tignan mo. Sa kanyang YouTube account, tingnan mo lagpas pa ng 3,200 videos. Yes. More than 3,200 videos. Ibig sabihin, tataas pa yan. I-increase yan every minute, every hour, every second. Pwede rin after a month. Boom na ang viewers. Hundreds of thousands of viewers per second. Per second. Hindi lang yan. Kung sasabihin mo, minor video lang, 100,000 viewers. We cannot tell. Videos pa lang yan Hindi pa ako nagsasalita sa subscribers. And I would like to congratulate him. Umabot ng more than 431,000 subscribers. Parati yan minomonitor ni Donmar ang kanyang YouTube account. Grabe, malakas ang impact. I'm gonna tell you. Kasi tingnan mo yung ibang vloggers. Yung isa yung namatay COVID. Yung simula namatay yung COVID, yung taga Cavite, lahat na nakabase dito sa Philippines. Grabe talaga. Especially Duterte vloggers. Wow. Big impact. Kahit hindi na president si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Wow. Grabe ang impact. Lalo na social media. May isa pa. Yung anak niyang babae, Vice President Sara Duterte, and his two sons, Paulo Duterte, may isa pa, Sebastian Duterte, Those are his children. Then, itong lately lang, itong si Veronica Kitty Duterte. Grabe ang impact. Imagine na, the kids went to The Hague, Netherlands. Malaking issue yan, pero pag na-televise yan sa video, lalo na International Criminal Court or ICC, wow. Then we do not know yet, next few months, days, years, malakas ang impact when it comes to social media. Dati, wala pang YouTube. I'm gonna tell you. Kasi, bakit ko nasabing in the future, makakaroon siya ng TV station in the future? Kasi, pag sino man nakakabigay, give thanks. May susunod pa yung aparatos. Kasi kung nasa Manila na yan siya, doon na siya makakadiscover ng mga aparatos. Kasi sa Visayas or Mindanao, hindi masyado. Kasi ang Visayas, Mindanao, doon din, same story. Pupunta pa sa Manila. Minsan pa nga, kung wala yung aparatos na gagamitin sa digital TV, they will go to other countries pa. Para lang makapurchase. Wala sa China. It's in the US, Europe, ewan ko lang sa Japan o Singapore. Anyway, Japan, Singapore, they're rich in digital electronic spare parts. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo. By the way, bigyan ko kayo feedback. Bakit ko nasabing bigyan ng super thanks? Kasi ang kanyang membership maganda sa 4 na kategory. Number 1 is Mayor, 199 per month. Second, Governor, 499 per month. Basta if you join with his digital TV ni Donmar TV. Third is Congressman, 899 per month. Then Senator, which is the highest, 1,199 per month. Kasi ito mga membership na to, ang advantage, kung ano ito if you have guts, then you have glory. Palakasan system na ito kasi ito, kung ano to ang pinag-uusapan na dito sa video niya sa digital TV, itong Donmar TV, transparency. Walang negative impact. Kasi kung negative impact, di parang lumalabas na kung ano siya, libelous. Wala. Good track record po yan si Donmar TV. So, ang purpose ko dito, uulitin ko po, bigyan ng give thanks si Donmar TV. Kasi tingnan mo ang isang video, tingnan mo ang viewers niya. Imagine pinakamababa 1,000 views views. Hindi pa kasama subscribers. 100,000 viewers. Isang video on that day lang. 100,000 viewers. Smallest lang yan. How much more pa kung million viewers in one video in one day? So, ganun kalakas ang impact ng social media. Kasi ang advantage, if you give super thanks, kasi yung mga materials, marami pang materials gagamitin. Hindi lang yung lights, yung tripod, yung ginagamit niya sa Manila, tripod. Hindi, meron pa yan. May gagamitin pa yan. At for sure, may susunod pa yan. Flat screen computer, hindi lang laptop. Kasi ang laptop kung if he's in the field. Pero sa bahay, ang bahay niya nasa office. Home base. Kasi ang home base kasi malaking kita. Sa video lang. I'm gonna tell you. Kahit ganyan lang siya, kasimple, pero his good track record, proven and tested talaga siya. Neutral siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya bias. Transparent si Donmar. I'm gonna tell you. So, again, before I say goodbye, Donmar TV, bigyan ng give thanks. Ito, Tagalog na. By the way, ang viewers na to ay para sa the whole Metro Manila, whole parts of Luzon, regions 1, 2, 3, and 4, kasama na ang Cordillera Autonomous Region, CAR, at saka Region 5, Bicol Region. Yun nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. For those who are from Visayas, Mindanao, who are speaking Cebuano, no need to watch this video because may nag-suggest na kung pwede, sa akin, may nag-private message sa akin na kung pwede, what do you call this? Televise na lang into Tagalog video. So, eto na po. Pumayag na lang ako sa suggestion nila. So, I accept their suggestion. Kaya kung meron kayong suggestion, pwede kayong mag-post comment dito sa video na ito. Kasi marami kayong lessons matututunan. So that's it, na? By the way, before I say goodbye, I would like to congratulate Don Mar TV for keeping up his best in videos. Kasi when I check his video, wow, nashock ako. Sabi ko, oh, isang video, 123,000 viewers. Pinakamababa niya, 100,000. In one video, in one day, one day. Pero kung grabe ang issue, may nakita ko isang video, umabot ng hindi subscribers, viewers, 623,000 viewers, hindi 623 people, 623,000 people, tao. For sure, hindi lang Philippines, baka outside Philippines pa, yung mga OFWs, mga kababayan natin. So, we cannot tell. Grabe, lakas ng impact sa social media. That, siya lang. Hindi pa kasama yung iba pang Duterte vloggers. So, that's it. Bigyan ng super thanks si Don Mar TV. That's my word of advice. Neutral, pure, proven and tested, then walang malicious, transparent siya. I'm gonna tell you. Trust me. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.